Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Kongsberg Discovery and Aker Solutions launch drone detection demonstrator in Stavanger. Kongsberg Discovery and Aker Solutions have begun a phased rollout of a drone detection system, starting with a demonstrator at Aker Solutions site in Stavanger. Using Kongsberg's drone detection radar, the system aims to enhance situational awareness around offshore assets and transit lanes in the North Sea. Kongsberg Discovery develops technologies for navigation and infrastructure protection, including acoustic and radar systems, while Aker Solutions provides integrated energy solutions across oil, gas, and renewables. The collaboration combines these capabilities to demonstrate how such technologies can be integrated into offshore operations. This collaboration marks the beginning of a scalable solution to enhance situational awareness at critical infrastructure, offshore and onshore. By combining Kongsberg Discovery's technology expertise with Aker Solutions' integration and domain knowledge, we are setting a new standard for safety and security at sea, said Joachim Hovland, head of drones and robotics, Aker Solutions. Following the initial demonstration, the system will be gradually expanded offshore with additional camera clusters and underwater sensors. Later phases will include integration with onshore control centers, deployment on supply vessels, and broader adoption across rigs and vessels, including expansion to international markets. Aker Solutions will serve as the system integrator, with Kongsberg Discovery as sub-supplier, and the demonstrator will be used in joint presentations to potential customers. The project reflects a response to growing concerns about UAV unmanned aerial vehicle activity near critical infrastructure. There have been many observations of drones close to critical infrastructure in the last couple of years. Few are properly documented. This cooperation between Aker Solutions and Kongsberg Discovery will provide the end customer with proper tools to monitor, record, and document illegal, as well as legal, UAV unmanned aerial vehicle activity around installations, said Kato Jael Ilyasin, VP Infrastructure, Kongsberg Discovery. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.